The next thing that I'm going to be going over is this upload corner. It's a really great way that big streamers right now are able to earn more from their streams and also just engage their community more. And what it is exactly, it's a browser source in the top right of your stream, and viewers can then pay you a bit of money, upload an image, and it gets first moderated by us, our systems, and then your moderators. They click OK and it'll show up on the stream. And people really like this. So all you need to do is just click enabled here. You'll see that we actually added the upload corner for you on both the vertical and horizontal streams. So I'll move the chat out of the way here. And the next thing you need to do is give your viewers a way to view this link. So what you want to do is download this image here and copy this viewer upload link. Go to whichever platform you're streaming to. Let's say Twitch is here. You go to the About, Edit Panels, and we're just gonna add one. So we'll say Upload Corner, add this image that we downloaded, and add the link. Put the link right here and click Submit. Now if you preview the panels, it'll look like this. And when viewers click this, what they'll see is that they can upload an image to your stream. I'll show you how exactly that looks like without you needing to pay, so you can just test this out here. We have a test section here, so you can do this. Let's just put in an image. I'm just gonna upload a W here, and what you'll see is that whoever you added as a moderator, we'll go over this in a bit, but you can add moderators to your Streamable without needing to share any passwords because they have their own account, but they can control yours if they go into right here and just click approve, and we can see a preview here, but also in your stream it'll be up on the top right corner and your viewers will see that. And yeah, this is a really cool way that people are earning more money, so feel free to try it out on Streamable.